The Motorola Edge 70 Ultra is designed to redefine what a true flagship smartphone can deliver. At its core, it features a breathtaking 144Hz QHD plus Super AMOLED display, ensuring ultra-smooth performance and vibrant visuals whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing. Powering the device is the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite 2 processor, paired with a massive 32GB of RAM, making multitasking seamless and performance lightning fast. Storage is equally impressive, with a colossal 2TB capacity that ensures you'll never run out of space for apps, photos, and videos. Photography takes a giant leap forward thanks to the groundbreaking 300MP camera, capable of capturing images with stunning detail and clarity. Keeping this powerhouse alive is a massive 8,000 mAh battery, supported by blazing 120W fast charging, so you can refuel in minutes and stay connected all day. With these unmatched specs, the Motorola Edge 70 Ultra pushes the limits of smartphone innovation and sets a new benchmark for premium devices.